Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Bree. I like to post videos that are focused around super girly, pink, glam, and fashion. If that's the kind of stuff that you like, then stop now and hit the subscribe button so that we can stay connected and you don't miss any of my videos in the future. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing a lot of the makeup and beauty products as well as fashion and film, TV shows that I have been loving this year, and also some new things that I got for the fall and winter season that I am obsessed with. So if that catches your interest, then stay tuned. So first, I'm gonna start with fashion and the first thing is gonna be this adorable coat that I got. Oh my god, coat that I got. It just gave me it girl vibes, and it is so glam and takes any of my outfits to the next level. It's so cute. I think it is so it girl. It's giving me Chanel Oberlin vibes, if you know Scream Queens. It's the perfect pink. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed. The next item is this sweater dress. It's like a sweater material and it's a long sleeve, but so cute. You can pair it with some cute bottoms or tights, and you can do an all pink look, of course. And I can't wait to wear it. This super classy, so I plan to pair it with a cute top. I feel like this is such a classic piece and it's not trendy and it never goes out of style. I love a good skirt, a good satin silky material. It's the perfect length, like right before ankle length, and this material is so great. It is super flattering once on, and I believe this goes with any outfit. So cute. So yeah, this is one of the pieces that I am obsessed with. Yeah, love it. Also, I have this lace top. It has the thumb holes for your thumbs. So cute and feminine. I'm obsessed with anything that's lace, and I can wear this with many outfits. It's so cute. This is a shirt that I got. It's like a Chanel vibe. It has definitely been like my uniform since becoming a mom. So cute, so stylish, and I love these. So I got these in like several colors. I love these to dress up my outfits, even on casual days when I'm running errands, and with a cute pair of jeans or any kind of bottom that I feel would go with it. Dresses up any outfit. So I got these hats. They come in many different colors and styles and patterns, but I just wanted this pink because it has the gold detail and the buttons. So cute. And I was instantly obsessed when I saw this. It is such great material and I can't wait to wear it this season. I'm gonna be sharing these pink heels that I got, and I have been searching for these for a while. But my size always sold out, and so cute. Literally make any outfit look glam and put together. Definitely need to get the black pair. So see, they dress up any outfit and are definitely a staple in my wardrobe. I got these pink fluffy boots, you know, for winter season. They're so warm and comfortable, and I feel so cute when I wear these and girly. So yeah, it's such a like cute pink, like in person. They give a bubblegum Barbie vibe. So yes, so cute. Also, I picked up the Juicy Couture boots. So cute. I'm not really a Uggs fan, but I saw these online and I had to have these. So these are a new obsession of mine. I love these. Cute. The packaging, everything is pink. I can't wait to be cute and cozy in these and wear the looks that I have planned for these boots. So that about wraps it up for fashion favorites of this year. and I'm gonna get into makeup and beauty products. So for my beauty product, one of the first things I'm going to share is this new scent that I've been loving this year, and it's a Pink Friday Tea. It smells so good. It gives a classy, fresh smell. I can't really describe this scent. I will add the scent notes so that you can get a better description, but this has been the scent that I've reached for lately. I just feel so classy and glamorous when I wear this. I'm obsessed. Oh, so good. I did a look with this blush today and I'm obsessed. Okay. And that is the Rare Beauty liquid blush in the color Grace. So good. It's the perfect rose pink. So I am obsessed with the formula and the combination of these two. With how my makeup turned out, I feel so girly. This powder formula, these two together have been my go-to. Also, I've been loving the lip injection by Too Faced. So good. It's the shade Pretty Pony. I'm obsessed and I think it's so cute and girly. And it's the perfect pink for me. So for skincare, this Lavender Nighttime Oil by Eco Family. It's really good. It's the perfect smell of lavender. It's not overbearing. I love anything lavender, but this really works. If you've ever had lavender tea, it gives you that same smell, not a heavy perfume smell. But so I've been using this for maybe over a year now. It has this dropper. So yeah, and I've been loving this as part of my skincare routine. Also, one of my favorite skincare products, the Glow Recipe. I love to add this to my skincare routine after I clean my face. I always reach for this to moisturize. The results, how my skin has been since using this product. So it's really good. The packaging is so cute and pink, and I'm obsessed. So I've been using Dr. Bronners for a while. This is my very first time having the hemp. This is the hemp rose, and I use, it's really like multiple purpose, whatever. And this smells so good. Yes. It's so girly and fresh, and it's been my favorite. Also, I didn't know that Dr. Bronners made hair products, so when I saw this, I instantly grabbed it, and I used it a couple times. It helps my curls. It applies really good after I've done my hair maintenance, and so I am a fan of this for sure. Lavender. But yeah. And now I'm just gonna share some things that I've been into as far as film and TV shows, if you even care. So one of the movies that I've really been into is a Marie Antoinette. And so the entire Marie Antoinette movie is really girly and glamorous and visually pleasing, like all together. If you love that era of that French style of fashion and interior, this will be a movie that you will love. See pink everywhere and just pastels, and it's just super cute, and I love watching it. Another movie I love, Pretty in Pink, and it's just cute. So yeah, Fresh Horses, and I have watched other movies with I love her movies. So when Fresh Horses started to play, I just really was into it, and it wasn't terrible, so I can watch it again. I really like that. So another movie, of course, most people know about Heathers. I've watched Heather plenty of times, but recently I've been getting back into like all of my favorites, and I love Winona Ryder. So any movie that she plays in, more than likely I'm going to watch and enjoy. So Welcome Home, Roxy Carmichael is another one of my favorite movies. I have watched it before, and yeah, it's another Winona Ryder movie, and I really enjoy watching it, so it's fun. A new movie that I watched this year that I was so excited about was Beetlejuice. I was not disappointed. It did feature Winona Ryder, and me and my kids watched it about 100 times, so definitely love the new Beetlejuice. So some TV shows that I rewatched, and I watched Gossip Girl again, and so comforting. Scream Queens. I watched Scream Queens again. If you never watched Scream Queens, then what are you doing? Salem. Halloween season brought me back to it, so I did go and rewatch Salem. Once Upon a Time, I'm watching that again. It's like a corny Hallmark kind of vibes, but mix all the fairy tale stories and characters up into like one series. It's so cute and romantic. Belle and Rumpelstiltskin are my favorite characters on the Once Upon a Time series. And last but not least, the Dracula series. So I loved to watch Dracula, of course. It's romantic, it's a love story, and I've rewatched this series a couple of times. So those are my favorite TV shows and movies. That wraps up my favorites of this year and things that I've been obsessed with lately. I really hope you enjoyed this video because I had so much fun making this video. Leave a comment down below if you currently use any of these products and are interested in more videos like this, because this was so much fun, and I thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button because I am new to YouTube and I am trying to grow my channel. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and enjoy the products that I share with you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.